In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to download Adobe Acrobat Pro 2025. We're going to take you through this process step by step, ensuring that you have all the information you need to get started. So, let's dive right in. First things first, you're going to want to open up your preferred web browser. It could be Chrome, Firefox, Safari, or whichever one you're most comfortable using. Once you've opened it up, head to the search bar and type in Adobe Acrobat Editor. This will direct you to a list of search results related to Adobe Acrobat. Aim to click on the result that usually appears at the very top of the list. Generally, Adobe's official website should be the first option, so go ahead and click on that. Now that you're on the official Adobe Acrobat page, you will look for the option to start a free trial. This button is typically prominent on the page, often inviting users to try out the software before committing to a purchase. Why a free trial, you might ask? It's a fantastic way to experience all the features Adobe Acrobat Pro offers without any immediate cost. Once you've clicked on the Start Free Trial button, you will be informed about the details of the offer. Typically, Adobe provides a 7-day free trial, giving you a week to explore and utilize all the tools available in Acrobat Pro 2025. If this sounds good to you, click Continue to proceed to the next steps. At this point, you'll be prompted to enter some information. Adobe will ask for your card details, primarily because once the trial period ends, they'll switch to a paid subscription if you choose to continue using the software. It's important to note that during the trial, no charges will be made to your card, but it's always a good practice to keep an eye on the trial expiration date if you decide it's not for you. Additionally, you'll be guided through creating an Adobe account, which is necessary for accessing the software and any associated services they offer. So, follow the prompts to complete this process, ensuring that all information is accurately entered. Finally, if you prefer using an application over a web-based version, you can explore Adobe Creative Cloud. This comprehensive suite not only includes Acrobat Pro, but a plethora of other creative software solutions. For this, go back to your browser and search for Adobe Creative Cloud. From there, you can download and install the application, which will allow you to manage all your Adobe software in one convenient place. And that's it. By following these steps, you will be all set up to explore Adobe Acrobat Pro 2025 and utilize its powerful features to manage your PDF documents. We hope this guide has been helpful, and remember to enjoy your free trial.